Did you know that just a few minutes of high-intensity interval training at home can potentially outperform a whole hour of running? That's right. Researchers found that short bursts of high-intensity exercises can boost your metabolism like rocket fuel. And that's what we're about in this video, showing you HIIT workouts you can do at home. But first, don't forget to check the description and pinned comment below for our free ebook on how to burn fat and lose weight while resting. It will show you how to lose weight faster and more efficiently, taking your weight loss to a whole new level. Now let's get into it. Get rid of it! Step-by-step guide to HIIT workouts at home. 1. Understanding HIIT, the basics. HIIT consists of short, intense periods of exercise followed by less intense recovery periods. Think of it like sprinting as hard as you can for 30 seconds, then walking for 30 seconds, and repeating. It's that simple yet profoundly effective. This format keeps your heart rate up, burning more fat in less time. 2. Setting up your space. First things first, you need a small workout area. It could be your living room, a garage, or any place where you can move around safely. Make sure there's nothing fragile around because things are about to get intense. 3. Warming up. Begin with a warm-up to prevent injuries. A 5-minute routine of jogging in place, high knees, or arm circles will prep your muscles for the workout ahead. A study from the American College of Sports Medicine emphasizes the importance of warming up to enhance performance and reduce the risk of injury. 4. The workout structure. Now, let's discuss the structure of your workout. You'll be engaging in short, intense bursts of activity followed by brief recovery periods. Here's how you can structure a simple yet effective HIIT circuit right at home. Exercise sequence and timing. Each exercise duration. You will perform each exercise for 30 seconds, pushing yourself to the max. This high-intensity effort is crucial as it's designed to spike your heart rate and increase calorie burn. Rest periods. After each exercise, you'll have 30 seconds to catch your breath. These rest intervals are just as important as the active ones, helping your body to prepare for the next round. Circuit exercises. Jumping jacks. A full-body workout that increases your heart rate. Stand with feet together, jump up, extend your legs to the side and your arms above your head, then return to the starting position. Squat jumps. Start in a squat position, explode up into a jump, and land back into the squat. It's great for your lower body and core. High knees. Run in place, lifting your knees as high as possible. This helps improve your lower body strength and cardio endurance. Burpees. Begin standing, move into a squat, place your hands on the ground, jump back into a plank, return to the squat and jump up. This full body move boosts strength and burns a ton of calories. Mountain climbers. Start in a plank and alternate driving your knees towards your chest rapidly. It's excellent for building core strength and endurance. Repetition and progression. Repeat the circuit. Complete this circuit 3 to 4 times. If you're just starting out, aim for 3 rounds and see how you feel. As your fitness improves, challenge yourself to add another round or even increase the intensity of each exercise. By structuring your HIIT sessions like this, you not only maximize the fat burning effect during the workout, but also enhance your cardiovascular health and stamina over time. Remember, consistency is key. Regular HIIT workouts can transform your fitness level significantly. 5. Cooling down. After your circuits, don't forget to cool down. Stretching your arms, legs, and back will help in muscle recovery and flexibility. As researchers at the National Academy of Sports Medicine have shown, cooling down can reduce muscle soreness and aid recovery. And there you have it. Your very own HIIT workout that you can do at home with no equipment. Remember, consistency is key. The more you stick with it, the better your results will be. So, why not start today? Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. And remember to claim your free ebook on how to burn fat and lose weight while resting in the description and pinned comment below. It will help you on your weight loss journey.